Okay, here a small unboxing video about a new pair of sneakers I got. I already wore them because they are very nice. They are the Nike Internationalist mid quick strike and with something special in it. So you can see already what happened when you put some light on it. It's really awesome. Totally reflective. So how cool is this? In my opinion, very cool. So I will put a pause on this video and will show them how they look in normal color. So without light on it, no reflective, totally blue. So I'm very pleased with this shoe adding at my collection. So I will have a lot of fun with him, and I think hopefully I will add also the red ones in the future to my collection. You never know. I'll see you next time.